Hello, my beautiful besties. It's your girl Nelly. If you're part of my nail crew, welcome back. And if you're not, consider subscribing right now and become part of my amazing nail crew. So let's get ready for today's video. And today's video, it's nail haul video. So this is just a small haul of several items that I purchased. One of them in particular, I've had that in that package in my house for like a month. So I will tell you the story once I get to it. So the first item I'm going to show you is the bling gels. And if you haven't heard of Lissette gel nails, this is the card and that's the website. So this is where I get my LGNPRO bling gel from. I ever since she launched this brand, I fell in love with. This is a 15 ml jar, so it brings a good amount of bling gel, and I love it. So to the next package is a purchase I made from Amazon. Again, this is just a small haul. I will try some of the things that I purchased. I will swatch some of the items. For example, this acrylic I did swatch, and then I'm going to show you in a second. So I've heard several people already on YouTube talk about Vanillisa for a long time, and I've been wanting to try Vanillisa's top coat, and I saw the top coat alone, so I figure I give it a try. I don't feel the need base coat at this point. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna open the package and I'm gonna show you the viscosity. So in my personal opinion, I think this is a medium to thick viscosity. And if you like that type of top coat, then this is a top coat for you. It is a very nice top coat. I did like how it applied. Don't forget that this video, it's a little bit sped up. So you might see it looks different because of um, how fast that drop of gel dropped from the brush. But in reality, it's a little bit thicker than that. And yeah, so I've heard other people talk about this acrylic, and I wanted to give it a try and see what it's about. I'm going to show you once I swatch it, because I do swatch it at the end of the video. Again, another thing I purchased from Amazon were these flakies. So these flakies is because I'm going to do a video on a Christmas edition sort of collection that I'm going to make for myself. So I wanted to get some of the smaller snowflakes, because I do have a pack of the big ones. I am going to show you the difference in case you are not familiar with these flakies or this glitters, whatever you want to call them. So that is this difference in size. Majority of the time when you see people applying those bigger snowflakes, you kind of see them, they bend them a little bit and then place them on the nail. Or they just do the plastic wrap hack, which I have not tried. So these rhinestones, I don't have this color in my collection. As huge as my collection is, I don't have this color. So I figured I purchased it. They look beautiful actually in person. As you can see, they're very, very beautiful colors. You guys know that my favorite color is blue, and I did not have this shade of blue. So I figure I get them both, and I do have a list of other colors that I don't have, but I'm going, buying little by little. And then this purchase right here, this is the package that I've had in my house for like a month. And I would say maybe more. I can't remember when I made this purchase. So this is from iGel Beauty. And no, I did not buy acrylics from iGel Beauty or gels or anything. Well, not top coat or whatever, but I did buy polygels. So, and I bought a lot of them. So the reason is because they had a sale about 2 months ago, I would say, and they had their 30 ml bottles for $1.99. So you can say I went a little bit crazy there. I'm not going to swatch every single color, because otherwise, Bessie, we're going to be here all freaking day, and we don't got time for that. but I will swatch some of the colors. I did open this one just to show you what the bottle looks like and to show you that it is in fact 30 mLs. I will show you kind of like the names of the colors. I did not swatch every single color. In fact, I only opened the ones I show you here in the video. Completely forgot the fact that I ordered glitters from them, like polygel glitters, and I wanted to swatch it, but then I forgot. Don't blame me, bestie. You guys know I'm forgetful. But I, oh God. So, okay. In my journey, you guys know that if you've been following me for a long time, my journey started with polygel. So I have been complaining about the fact that I had a lot of polygels, but a lot of them I don't feel connected to it. I don't feel a vibe of using them. So I've heard from a beautiful nail sister, Miss Brittany. I've heard her talk about this brand in particular. Um, and she loves it. So if the Queen of Polygel is saying that she loves it, I gotta try it. So I did went ahead and purchase quite a few colors, as you can see. But I will swatch. As you saw, I took out a glitter to the side, but I never swatched that color. So my apologies, bestie. However, I do have to say that yeah, so it looks like there's gonna be some polygel videos coming soon, besties. The polygel video did really, really good. So I will be doing some more content using polygel and in my personal opinion. So let's talk about consistency. Let's talk about color. So I have to say, this I can tell whether I'm gonna like the brand the second I pour it out the bottle without even touching it. That tells me a lot. So as you can see, this is not moving at all. So you can tell it is on the stiffer side. And the beauty about this polygel is that it's not really sticky. So you're going to see me kind of brush it down, and I don't really dip it too much into the icy purple alcohol, which is what I'm using as slip solution. So yeah, I mean, I cannot complain. I really love how this performed. Um, you want to know what I was thinking when I was watching this color? I was thinking, where have I been all my life? Because I love this type of polygel. And again, I've heard other people, not just Miss Brittany, but other people talk about this polygel and for a long time, actually. And I always kept saying, oh, it's on my wish list for the future. It's on my wish list. And I never really tried it. And I don't know, I can't remember. I think I was watching Brittany's video when I decided to go check the website. And they had them on sale at the time when I checked the website. Like I said, they had them for $1.99. So I was like, well, that's a deal. And I went ahead and I purchased all of those. And I have to tell you, Bessie, I do not regret this purchase at all. It is an amazing polygel. It is great to use for like color blocking because it's not really runny. Um, it's not very sticky, so if you don't like really sticky polygels, I think this is a good brand for you. I one polygel that I did not buy. They have a ton of other colors, but something I did not buy was their clear. Um, I cannot remember if I've seen anybody use their clear or not. So that's something I'm gonna have to search. I do have several clears, so I don't feel the need to order any clears at this very moment. But yeah, I did have I've had several requests actually for videos. Um, some of my besties want me to do the um, comparison of different clear polygels, which I did in fact went through my entire polygel drawer and I threw away some of the polygels that I had because they were open and old. And they're colors that I wasn't really vibing with. But yeah, I mean, this color is absolutely beautiful and I already know what I'm going to use it for. So I'm excited. I can't wait. I was hoping this weekend I would record several videos. However, I wasn't feeling very well. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Life be lifing, and we just got to do what we can. So, as you can see, it's not very sticky. I could count maybe 4 or 5 times the times that I've actually dip the brush inside the isopropyl alcohol. So here you're going to see me wipe that inhibition layer that is left by the gel. And that is because I wanted to try the top coat. I definitely needed to try that top coat. I definitely 100% recommend it. It's really good. It's a really good top coat. It's a great consistency. Um, and I love the packaging. It's really nice, actually. Again, I've heard from a few people using Vanellisa's top coat, but I never really tried it myself until now. So, yeah, my opinion on the top coat is that it is an amazing top coat. Top coat. Oh my God, I can't speak right now. It is quite amazing. I did like it. I like how the brush feels. And so, yeah. And then you're going to see me apply top coat to this color right here. That's why you see me cleaning the inhibition layer left by the polygel, because I don't want to contaminate my top coat, um, which will probably happen regardless in the future. So I mean, yeah. And then after I finish curing these two colors, um, actually the top coat on this colors, I go ahead and I start swatching the clear acrylic. So this is what they look like after that top coat, and you can see how beautiful and shiny the top coat is. You can see how beautiful the colors are. Now let's talk about this acrylic. This acrylic, I don't want to go by my first impression, honestly. So I will give this acrylic another chance. And the reason I'm saying that is because I don't find that it's as clear as I thought. But again, I am going to give it a try in a future video once I use it to encapsulate a design. Um, yeah, I don't know. In my opinion, I think it sets, on a slower side. That's just my personal opinion. I don't know about anybody else's, but and then I did a second bead because I'm like, is it me? Did I do the? Am I doing this wrong? Am I picking up the beads? I mean, I have to be honest. I haven't used acrylic in a few weeks. I did. You're gonna see that I put the bead down and I was gonna go and play with it, and I was like, no, I gotta see how runny this acrylic really is. And as you can see, it's a little bit on the runny side. It doesn't set as fast as other acrylics that I have, which lets me to think that it's good for beginners, but you have to be careful with your liquid to powder ratio, of course. Um, so that it's not too runny or too dry. Um, I wish I would have counted how long it took for this acrylic to set, but I did buff it out a little bit to see if that will help the acrylic look a little bit more clearer, but it didn't. So that's why I'm like, I need to give this acrylic a second chance. As you can see, it looks a little bit on the cloudy side, and I even applied top coat on the back. So this is when I had already put top coat in the back as well. So it wasn't looking any clearer. Again, I don't know if there's something that I did wrong or if this is how it looks. Again, I will give it another chance. You can see the bubbles, and I don't know. I'm not 100% pleased with this one. I couldn't let go of the fact that I was a little disappointed, but I will do a full review of this color in a different video. So this is everything that I have for today's video. Like I said, I will do a polygel set soon, and I'm quite excited about it. So let me know in the comments what you think about everything, and what do you thoughts are on the acrylic and the polygel according to what I just showed you. I already told you my experience with them. So thank you so much for watching, besties. I love you all and have a great day. Love you. Bye.